So in today's video, I want to show you how to charge your iPhone extremely fast without even having to think about it. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, there's actually a neat automation that you can create on your iPhone that allows you, as I mentioned, to charge your iPhone extremely fast. Now, if you're the type of person that likes to use your phone while it's connected, then this isn't for you. If you like playing video games while your phone is connected, which you shouldn't, this video isn't for you. If you like to be on your phone texting while your phone is charging, then this isn't for you. But for those of you that want to plug their phone and charge it extremely faster than it normally would, then this is the trick. And let me show you how simple it is. Now, if you're running iOS 15.4 or newer, this is going to be a lot better for you as well. So the first thing you need to do is head on over to Shortcuts application, and you want to head on over into Automations. Now, you want to click on the Create a New Automation here. And under Create New Automations, you want to scroll to the bottom here, and then you want to choose Charge right here. So charging is connected. You want to click Next, and here you want to go ahead and add an action, which is going to be airplane mode. Now, there's no secret that when you put your iPhone in airplane mode, it charges a lot faster because it isn't using any resources from the network. It's not trying to get any notifications. It's not trying to download anything. So it charges extremely quickly. So we're going to type here airplane mode, right? And then we're going to select the airplane mode options. There it is. We're going to select airplane mode. We'll make sure it is on, and then we click next. And right here, we're going to go ahead and turn off ask before running. Now, if you're running iOS 15.4, as I mentioned, or newer on your iPhone, you have the ability to turn off the notifications when the actual automation is running. Now, once you do that, you want to click done. Now, the next thing you want to do is add another automation here. Click on create personal automation and do the same thing, but when you disconnect your iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and select this time is disconnected instead of connected. All right. So make sure you do that. Click next. Same thing. Let's search for airplane mode here. And there it is. And this time around, once we select airplane mode, right, we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to click off. So we're going to turn off airplane mode when you disconnect your iPhone from the charger. Click next. Make sure you don't have permissions to ask when it's running. Make sure that's turned off, and make sure notifications are turned off as well. So now when I go ahead and plug in my iPhone here, let me go ahead and plug it to this power source, you'll see that the iPhone will go automatically into airplane mode. It will not give me the notification. It will charge extremely quickly. As you can see right there, everything is turned off. And you can also add additional things like lower the brightness of your iPhone to this automation as well, if you'd like to do that, which will help as well. But if you're just locking your device, this will help it charge extremely fast. And when you're ready to disconnect, we disconnect, and boom, airplane mode will actually turn off. Everything will go back to normal, and your iPhone will be ready to use when you pick it back up. Again, if you're used to using your phone while you're charging, which I don't recommend, then this isn't for you. But if you like to plug in your iPhone, have it charge as fast as possible, this is going to be the best automation to have for charging your phone as fast as possible. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.